Hello friend, surprise, a bonus video this week. 2 videos in 1 week, what? And I'm back again in my kitchen. We're going to talk about summer foods and what I like to eat in the summertime when it's hot and I don't want to cook. Let's go. If you're new here, I'm Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Let's jump right into breakfast. What do I like to eat for breakfast in the summer? It's hot. I want something that's cool and refreshing. So something I love to eat is yogurt. I like Greek yogurt. It's healthy for you, more or less. It has high protein, and I like the flavor vanilla. Now, on top of my yogurt, a lot of times I like to put berries or fruit. Here I have some blackberries and some raspberries. They're from my garden. I need to make a video about my garden. They're delicious. Now, if I want something a little more filling, something that is going to fill up my stomach for a longer period of time, I might make eggs, right? We might make some eggs. I might fry a few eggs on my stove in a frying pan, or I might cut a couple slices of bread. I love to bake bread in my oven, and I make fresh bread every week. I'll cut a few slices and I'll toast it in my toaster. And I'll add the eggs, or maybe I'll add avocado. Sometimes, just for something more simple and quick, I'll have my toast, but I'll have it with butter and honey. It's a delicious breakfast no matter what I choose. Now, let's talk about lunch. For lunch, when it's hot, I might make a sandwich, right? I might use my bread for lunch. I love BLTs. You know what this is? The B stands for bacon. I cook some bacon. The L stands for lettuce, and the T stands for tomato. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. In the summer, it's my favorite thing. And I put a little bit of mayonnaise, or we just say mayo, on my sandwich. It's my favorite lunch. Oh, it's so good. Now, when it's hot, sometimes I might make a salad. If I don't want a sandwich, I'll make a salad. I'll use lettuce and I'll cook some chicken or turkey to put on top for protein. And I'll add some vegetables like cut up carrots. And of course, I need salad dressing. I'll make a refreshing salad. Sometimes with my sandwich or with my salad, I'll have some chips or some popcorn or maybe some nuts, something to just snack, or maybe a piece of fruit like an orange or an apple. That's usually my lunch every day in the summer. Okay, it's dinner time, and what am I eating? I will say Americans, our meals are centered around dinner. So breakfast and lunch are usually lighter meals, a little less food, and dinners are a little more heavy, more food, usually a big plate of food for dinner. And the main part of dinner is usually meat. We like to cook steaks, hamburgers, hot dogs, pork chops, chicken breast, any part of meat. That is usually the main part of the dinner dish here in the US. And then we have some sides that go along with it. So sometimes with the meat, whatever meat it is, maybe in the summer, I try to cook outside on the grill so that I don't heat up my house with my stove and my oven. But to go with whatever grilled meat I have, I might make some rice. So we might make some rice. My rice is almost gone. I might grill some fresh vegetables, like I have some zucchini or squash from the garden. I'll put them on the grill too. I might make potatoes or sweet potatoes to go with the meat. And sometimes, even if I make beef, I might use some canned vegetables like canned corn or canned beans. I'll put that with tortillas. We'll make like some tacos or some nachos, and that's a common dinner in the summer. It's a little heavy, but I try as much as I can to cook everything outside and not in my kitchen. Now, for snacks, I like to try and eat a lot of fruit. So I'll have apple or an orange or watermelon if I have it in the summer. Oh, it's so delicious. And for something refreshing, we drink a lot of water, but we might drink some juice or lemonade or tea, cold tea on a hot day. Now for dessert, we usually eat ice cream. I don't have any today. Or we might have a popsicle. Whew, what a fun little snack or dessert as a treat. All right, that's it. That's what I usually eat in the summer: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I try not to cook. Oof, it's too hot for that. So let me know, what is your favorite summer food? Do you have a favorite summer fruit? I think out of all the foods in summer that I love to eat is I love that BLT sandwich. Do you remember what the BLT stands for? Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite summer food? Maybe it's something new that I've never tried. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend who's learning English. And I'm about to go have me a popsicle. But first, if you missed my kitchen video and you want more kitchen vocabulary, check it out. New videos every week. See you guys next time. Bye.